guys, 231 Speed here, and today I just spent $400 on a new camera. Let's get it open. World's strongest tape here. I bought all right. It's here, guys. Oh yeah. Got a card. This was all a package deal. Got this for just under 500 bucks. Battery. And a head strap. It's really hard to do this with one hand, and I'm too lazy to get a stand for this phone. So after some trial and error, to get this off, you gotta pull up on this, and then see those little tabs? You gotta push in, and then it'll pop out like that. There we go. It's really hard to do with one hand. You really need two hands for it, but yeah, that's how that goes. Alright, so I got an assortment of mounts, and I got a extra camera battery so that if it dies on the road, then we can just shove a new one. And like I said, bunch of mounts. I got a car mount so I can do some car reviews that I want to do, and I got a head mount for the same purpose. I am looking forward to, however, putting this on my turtle to give it a test, or just making a time lapse of my turtle running around. So I might do that in a separate video because I have to download and figure out how to work this thing. So bear with me, I don't know what I'm doing yet, so I think I might buy a laptop so I can edit videos easier. And so look forward for some of those GoPro videos. They will be coming out. See you later.